way down. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you can open your eyes, you'll be back with us. But every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your eyes will close, your head will drop down to your chest, and you'll go even deeper still. You nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. What was that like?
It's really weird.
Look at my hand, and sleep down, way down, deeper, 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 relax. The deeper you go.
Wow, look how relaxed she was. Almost to the point where she was falling over, like she was flopping onto the ground. And there's a special technical term. Well, it's not really a technical term, it's a off-the-cuff term for people like that, and it actually is calling them floppers. So I'm going to talk more about how to manage floppers for their own health and safety, and to make sure you look after their well-being inside in this week's video. So stay tuned, because there's going to be a couple of skits and the induction. Enjoy. Keep watching. Hi, my name is Taran Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and a clinical hypnotherapist, and it's nearly Christmas time. I'm getting excited. A couple of weeks to go. If you're watching this video live, if you're watching this in the summer, well, why has he got a Christmas tree in the background? It's nearly Christmas and I'm getting excited. A couple of weeks ago, I was down at a Christmas market at Mollusk Enterprise Park in the Enterprise Hub. You can see images of that in the background. Here's the lovely Emma Garrett that runs that hub, and she does a great job looking after and supporting new businesses, small businesses, giving them a place to work out of, and also meeting rooms, etc., to support their businesses. So there's a lots of support if you're local to that area in Northern Ireland, and please check out the Enterprise Hub down there, and check out Emma Garrett and talk to her about how she can help and support your small business. Anyway, enough of that. We're going to see the lovely Megan here. She was a great subject, but she almost fell over. She was so relaxed. So stay tuned after you see this small street hypnosis clip, because we're going to talk about how you manage that situation. You'll see me managing it in this video, and I'm going to break down some details about exactly what was going on in the video. So stay tuned for that tutorial side of things after you watch the fun hypnosis. But let's get straight down to the fun. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from myself. And you don't want to miss it, because there's going to be more from Megan. This is just the first half of this video. There's going to be more coming out from her. If you have any questions, have any comments about this video or about hypnosis in general, then leave it in the comment section below. I love reading your comments and getting back to you and answering your comments, so please do leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you liked. But enough of that now, let's watch the video. Make sure she's recording. Right, so what's your name?
My name's Megan.
Megan, look at your hand, look at the lines in your hand, and just pick one spot and one line.
Okay.
Notice as I move that hand towards your forehead, notice how that hand starts to move all by itself, without any conscious thought on your part. And you don't need to say a thing, just continue to stare at that spot and feel that hand getting closer and closer. Knowing when that hand touches your forehead, your head will drop down to your chest, your eyes will close, and you'll go into a wonderful feeling of relaxation. Your legs and back will support you all the time. And you can close your eyes down now and let that hand continue to float towards your forehead. That's right, getting closer and closer. And sleep now, way down, deeper, 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 relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Legs and back will support you. Legs and back will support you as you go down even deeper still, even more relaxed. Legs and back supporting you all the time, standing there comfortably. And you're going to stand up even more firmly as you go down even deeper still, even more relaxed. And I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. With every count I count, just allow your unconscious to take you down even deeper. So 10, going deeper now, 9, even deeper still, 8, so deep, so relaxed, that every suggestion I make, by the time you get to number 1, will become your reality. So 5, even deeper still, 4, so deep, so relaxed, 3, even deeper, 2, and 1, way down. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you can open your eyes, you'll be back with us. But every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your eyes will close, your head will drop down to your chest, and you'll go even deeper still. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. What was that like?
It's really weird.
Look at my hand, and sleep down, way down, deeper, 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 relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you're going to feel so relaxed, so comfortable in the position now. Your feet are going to feel like they're stuck to the floor, cemented to the floor. You will not be able to move your feet. And the more you try and move those feet, the more those feet just lock and stick into the carpet. It's like your feet are part of the carpet tiles. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Isn't this cool?
Yeah. It's
Go ahead,
warm.
go ahead and try and move your feet. Really try. Really try. The harder you try, the harder they stick. Really try. What's that like?
Can't do it.
You can't move. Really try. Even harder. Look at my hand and sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 this time, your feet will become unstuck, but only as quickly as your name sticks to the back of your mind. You will not be able to say your name. The more you try and say your name, the more that name just sticks to the back of your mind. You know what it's like when you see someone on the TV and you say, I know that girl's name, but I just can't say it. It's just gone. Lost and forgotten. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Move your feet. There you go, isn't that cool? And what's your name when you try and say it? What's your name? Even if you hear it, you can't say it. Even if you hear it, you can't say it. Call her name.
Megan.
What's your name?
It's on the tip of my tongue.
What's your name?
Megan.
It's gone now.
Megan.
Tell you what, when you sing your name in rhyme, you can say it, but only when you sing it in rhyme. Sing the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Megan. Happy birthday to you.
And it's gone. What's your name? Watch what happens. When I touch your forehead, the name comes back because your name is Bob. What's your name?
Megan.
It's Bob. What's your name?
Bob.
Bob. How do you do, Bob? Who named you Bob? Your mum or your dad?
I don't know.
You don't know. Your mum? Maybe. And sleep down. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. In the moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, your name will come back to you fully.
Welcome back. Thanks for staying. That was Megan. She was a great star. You saw her with her feet stuck to the floor and you could see her really trying. She could not move from the spot and then she forgot her name and at one point actually changed her name to Bob. So she was a great star, and as I said at the start there's going to be a second half of this video where she does a few more skits. She was a great superstar, so make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss out when that video comes out. So I said at the front there I was going to talk about the induction in terms of how someone really gets into that relaxed mood, or as we call it in the industry, it's a sort of unofficial, it's a non-technical term called a flopper, when someone just wants to flop to the ground, they're so relaxed. And you can see her, she really did lean really much forward. So how do you manage a flopper? Well, as I say, for every induction you need to stay close to the person you're hypnotizing, and ideally at least have one hand on that person so that should you have to glance away, if someone catches your and distracts your attention, then that hand tells me where exactly they are at all times. In this situation she was so relaxed I made sure I grabbed her with both hands and rested her head down on my shoulder. So make sure you have that good triangulation to make sure you can support that person. But as the induction went on, you'll hear me say, as your legs and back support you, you can stand up straight. So I'm already giving suggestions. The hypnosis does not start after the induction has formally completed and they have their eyes open again. The hypnosis is really almost instantaneous once she engages her unconscious mind and that hand touches her forehead, as per my direction to her and giving her that suggestion that once her hand touches her forehead she will go into hypnosis. So right away she's already in trance, she's already capable of accepting suggestions. So I give the suggestion that as you go down deeper you can stand up straighter and your legs and back will support you. I'm continually reinforcing the idea that your legs and back will support you all the time, and that's very important to make sure that they are getting that message. They may be so focused in their attention on going inward that they are not even aware of their body. So I want to bring that awareness to a point where they can relax and go into hypnosis, but be aware that they're still standing there and their legs and back will support them. As you saw through every skit, when I dropped her back into hypnosis, she did again really relax down, but not as, I'll say, badly as the first time. Badly is probably a bad word, but not so relaxed as the first time. But her head still dropped down. So again, I want to make sure once she's done that at the beginning, I'm always being very cautious and being very aware of exactly how much she's going to, fall forward and be there to catch her. When you're hypnotizing something, their health and safety is your paramount importance above entertaining the crowd or giving that individual an experience of hypnosis. So always keep that in mind. So I hope you enjoyed that description. There was a lot going on there. You can see, like I say, other small aspects to point out in that video is how she was really fighting to try and move her feet, but her feet were glued and cemented to the floor there. They were really locked in position. And when she forgot her name, you know, again, some people say, how can you ever forget your name? She must be playing along. She just must be, you know, placating the hypnotist and saying, yeah, I can't forget my name. But there's that subtle moment when she sings her name in rhyme. She goes, oh, Megan, I remember it. That genuine look is very hard to fake in the moment unless you've been practicing it, you've watched me and you know you're going to come and see me. It's hard to fake that sort of expression. So there is a genuine, I have remembered it, and then as soon as I say it, it's gone again, there's that puzzled look in her face. So these are all great tells, great signs that we are actually getting genuine hypnosis. As I said, there's going to be more from Megan coming up in the future, so keep watching. Best way to do that is give this video a thumbs up and click that big subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out. Click the bell notification button as well. And finally, as I said at the beginning there, if you have any comments or questions about this, if there's any aspect of this video that you would like more information on, ask me in the comment section below. I might even put a video out just with your question in that video. So please do ask those questions and leave your comments. Tell me what you liked most about this video. She really was a superstar in so many ways. In the meantime, hopefully you'll come back next week. If you don't, then have a Merry Christmas and don't spend too much, don't eat too much, and enjoy yourself and have a good break.